Hello everyone, this is 𝗏𝗪𝗍𝗯𝗋 welcomes you all on Pabbly. So in this video you are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your resorts business, right? So before I start explaining to you how we are going to use this method, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you are into resorts business, this video is going to help you a lot. So by opting this method that I'm going to explain, you can save a lot of your crucial time and energy. And by saving that time, you can improve your productivity, your efficiency, and as a result of that, you can improve your profits, right? So let me tell you the whole story. So suppose that you are running any resorts business and you have created a Facebook page to market your resort and connect with your wider audience, right? And in that Facebook page, you are running Facebook lead ads. So whenever any interested customer of yours or a visitor click on any Facebook lead ad that you are running, a Facebook lead ad form will open up. And when any interested customer fills that Facebook lead ad form, you are going to share with him or her the brochure of your resort here on his or her WhatsApp account, right? Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that as and when a new lead got generated or whenever someone fills the Facebook lead ad form and submit, you are going to manually sort out the details of that person, then come here on WhatsApp and manually compile a message for that person, attach your resource brochure and send to him or her on WhatsApp account, right? But if you are receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and can be very problematic. So I have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new lead generated here from Facebook lead ad forms, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled the lead ad form along with your resource brochure here on WhatsApp automatically. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new lead generated, a WhatsApp message along with your resource brochure get automatically delivered, right? And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see we have this Facebook page created for our resort, and the name of the page is AZ Resort here. And here we are running Facebook lead ads. So whenever someone click on those lead ads, a lead ad form will be opening up, and this is a form attached with our lead ads resort brochure form. So let me show you this. So this is a form that is going to be open when someone click on our Facebook lead ads, right? So whenever someone fills this form and submit, we are going to send him or her the brochure of our resort here on his or her WhatsApp account, right? So I will show you. I'll generate a test lead by clicking here on this, by filling this resort brochure lead ad form, okay? And we will check if this lead that we are going to generate receives the WhatsApp message from our side along with the link along with the brochure or not, right? So let me fill these details here. So I'm filling the details as Zubair Hassan. Okay, now I'm going to click on next and submit. So you can see it is saying thanks, you are all set, right? And it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we have generated a new lead here, and we want to send the brochure on this WhatsApp account of this lead here on WhatsApp. So we will wait for a few minutes and check if this WhatsApp account of Zubair receives the message from our side automatically or not. So Facebook uses polling technique to send the data, so it might take 3 to 4 minutes to get the message here on WhatsApp account. So we will wait for 3 to 4 minutes and check. So you can see we have received a new message here. Let's check what is in the message. Okay, so it is saying, hello Zubair Hassan, thank you for showing your interest in AZ Resort. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. Okay, so this is the link of a brochure that that this person received. Let me show you the brochure also. So this is the brochure of our resort, like this, right? So this is how it is going to be done. So this is a message the person who is going to fill our lead ad form is going to receive from our side along with the brochure link, right? So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here in this WhatsApp account without any manual typing or compilation of the message or attaching this link, just by filling a lead ad form here and a message automatically delivered here on the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled our lead ad form. So let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we are going to generate a new lead by filling the lead ad form and bring the data of that lead here in in Pabbly Connect. And finally, we are going to send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. Okay. So finally, we are going to send the brochure of our resort on the WhatsApp account of the person whose data we have collected here in Pabbly Connect. Right. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is 360 Dialog. Okay, so I will tell you what 360 Dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, first of all, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made one free account, so I'm going to click here on sign in directly. Okay, so you can see this all apps section of Pabbly. From here, you have to come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. Okay, so this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. Okay, so to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button. Okay, so here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So you can give any name according to you. Let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as Resorts Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp, right? Now click on create here. So you can see your workflow get created, and as and when your workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. Okay, so Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new lead generated from Facebook lead ads, and the action would be is to send the resorts brochure on the WhatsApp account of the leads, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Facebook lead ads like this. Okay, now in this trigger event, you have to select new lead option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection option, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful here and it started showing connected. That means we're connected with Facebook lead ads. Now it is asking for the page's name, right? So it is asking for the page's name that we have in Facebook on which we are running the Facebook lead ads. So this is our page and this is the name AZ Resort. So when you click here, you will find a list of all the pages that you have in your Facebook. So these are all the pages I have created for different reasons, and my page is this one. I'll show you. So you can search for your page from this field, 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏 resort, this one. So select the page from the list, and you can see the lead generation form get automatically selected because we have only one form here in this lead ad resort brochure form. The name is this, okay, and it is automatically selected here. Now when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the most recent lead that has generated will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So let me show you how it is going to happen. So I am going to generate a new lead, and we will see if the data of that lead is captured here or not. So let me open the Facebook lead ad form again, and I'm going to fill it again. Now let's say this time with this different name. Let's say the name be 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗏 𝗖𝙠, okay, and the number. So let me fill it. Okay, now I'm going to click on next, then submit. You can see it is saying thanks, you are all set, right? So it is saying your test lead has been sent. So the new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ad form. Now let's come here in Pabbly Connect, and let me click here on save and send test request. And you can see the data of the most recent lead, which is this 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗏, has been captured here like this, right? Now it is time for our next step, which is, let me show you. So our next step is send the brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. Okay, so we have captured the data of a new lead here in Pabbly Connect. Now to that same lead, we are going to send the brochure on her WhatsApp account, right? And to do this, we are going to use this 360 Dialog application. So now I will tell you what 360 Dialog is and how we are going to use it. Okay, so now in Pabbly Connect, click on the section window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360 Dialog. This one, WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. Okay, now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp. So now click here on this action event and select this send template message option. Okay, then click on connect button. And from this window, you have to select add new connection option if you're making the connection for the first time. And then it will ask for these things, the API key and the domain name. So to find these things, we have to go to 360 Dialog account and generate a API key. So let me show you the process. So I'm going to my 360 Dialog account, which is this. So you can set up your own 360 Dialog account, and to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 Dialog in very affordable prices, right? So here I am going to click on WhatsApp accounts pages, right? And here you can see this button called as generate API key, right? So by clicking on this generate API key button, you can set up your own, you can generate your own API key. After that, copy that key and paste it here in this API key field in Pabbly Connect, right? And while generating the API key, you will find a domain name which will look like this link. Okay, so you have to copy that link and paste it here in this field, right? So after pasting both of these things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with 360 Dialog account. So generating this API key is one-time task only. Once you get your API key generated, you can use the same key to make the connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect, right? So, and if we have made this connection with this process that I have shown you, you can choose existing connection option also to make the connection afterwards, right? If you let me show you. So I have made the connection by this process as I've shown you before also in a different workflow. So now I am going to choose this existing connection option, and now I just have to click on save here, and you will see that I will be connected with 360 Dialog. So you can see start showing connected here, right? So this is how we can connect. Now it is asking for the template. So let me first show you what are these templates. So here I am in my 360 Dialog account again, and here I'm going to click on manage templates option. Okay, so these are the message templates we have. So let me open one for you. So guys, message templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp, right? So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, first you have to create a template here in 360 Dialog. Then after you can use that. So to create a message template, click here on add template button. And here you have to give the name of your template. Here you have to select the category of your template and the language in which you want to send the message, right? You can also select your template's type. Okay. And here in this body field, you have to type the main message that you want to send to the person, any person, right? Then after that, click here on preview and submit, and your message will be submitted. After submission of template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook or Meta, will review your template and approve your template for use. Okay, so the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it take only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours to get a template approved. So once you got your message templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly, right? So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use here. So the template I am using is this send brochure final template, this one. Okay. So after selecting the message template, you will see this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up. And here it is asking now for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the lead, right? So whose data we have captured here like this. So to get this number here, you just have to click here on recipient's mobile number field, then click on Facebook lead ads, and you can map this number from here like this, right? Then after this, it will ask for these body fields. So let me show you what are these body fields. So I am opening my message template here in 360 Dialog. Okay. So this is our message template, right? Okay, so here you can see in this message template, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message, right? As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the person whose data or whose the name of the lead that has generated, right? So that can change, that is going to be changed with every new lead, right? After that, thank you for showing your interest. And so if you have more than one business page, the name of the business can also change. Here in this third field, we are going to put the name of the service. So if you have more than one services, this can also change, right? And the website. And so these are the things which needs to be changed with every new message. So to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these fields here in Pabbly Connect, right? So in this first body field, we are going to map the name of the lead that has generated. So to do that, click here on this field, click on Facebook lead ads and map the name from here only like this. Okay. And similarly, you can map all other body fields also. For example, let us say this fourth body field. So here we are going to enter the link of the brochure that we have. So this is our brochure. So I have this brochure in my Google Drive. So I'm clicking here on clicking and then clicking on share button, and this will generate a link. So I'm going to copy this link from here and paste this link in this fourth body field like this. So the things that needed to be entered manually can be entered manually like this, and the things that are needed to be mapped can be mapped like this. So let me fill all other details. So I have filled all other body fields also. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message according to our message template here on the WhatsApp account of this lead, right? So let me click here and you will see that this data will be delivered as a new message. Okay, so it started showing this response and we have received a new message also. Let's check. So the message is this: hello 𝗪𝗆 𝗖𝙪, thank you for showing interest in 𝐴Z Resort. Okay, one of our team members will contact you shortly. and here is the link of the brochure also. So you can see in the places of these body fields, the data is automatically filled, which we have mapped like this. Okay. So our connection with WhatsApp is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we connected Facebook lead ads, right? Then we selected the page and bring the data from the lead ad form to here in Pabbly Connect like this. After that, in this action window, we connected 360 Dialog application, right? Then we selected the template, then we filled all other details that are required to send the message like this. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen the message is delivered here like this, right? So the workflow is completed. Now just click on save here. And let me tell you one more important thing, that you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. Okay. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instant. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.